Hi everyone, this is Flo, and today I want to show you on my HTC ZR the JellyTime custom ROM just there, and this is just an amazing custom ROM on our HTC ZR. This one is based on the Android JellyBean version 2.4.1, and this is the second release thanks to the random blame dev. So we can find it on the XGA thread. You have the link just behind on the description. So on this JellyBean version we get on the two different sides just there the widgets on the lock screen, just the camera here with the different options. For example, we get the camera to take pictures, to panorama, and to record video. You have just to touch to focus and take a picture. We get this screen as on the others for the HTC custom ROM on JellyBean. We get also this panorama just there. Okay, we have just to press and we get our picture just here, and also the camera recording. Okay, we get some glitches and we get there the camera recording just there. We have to press stop and we catch it just here with other pictures. Okay, we get two different launchers. We get the Nova launcher and Trebuchet. You already know Nova launcher. This is just this one, as you can see there, with the different apps and different things that you already know. And there is the other one, the Trebuchet. I will use it on this custom app. So we get that here with the application. You can see maybe that this ROM is fast, not so smooth, but very cool. This is a JellyBean version on our HTC ZR, and this is just so cool. We get the dialer there with the call history and the different contacts. We get the messages here with this keyboard. As you already know, you can attach different things as pictures, capture picture, video, capture video, audio, record audio, slideshow, and others. You also get the search and the messaging. You can also go on the different apps. You get the Apollo music player. You get also the calendar, the camera, the clock, the file manager, and the ES file explorer. The gallery, this is the JellyBean gallery just there. As you can see, this is a good one. You can just select the pictures by location, times, people, or tags. And that's a cool thing. You get the Nova launcher, the search. You can also add the G apps, as you already know on my different videos. You get on the status bar notification there the different notifications with different shortcuts. If you click on the clock, you get the clock app. If you click on the date, you get the calendar. You can, I think, switch it and remap this different button. You get also this icon just there. This is the toggles. You have just to switch that there just to get the toggles, excuse me. So you get the owner there, the brightness, settings, and others with chiffering if you just connect it to your computer, for example. When we go on settings, we get there the different things as the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, the data usage, and the interface. I will show you the interface. With the launcher, you can just select on the home screen. You can see that this is the Trebuchet launcher. The grid size from 3 to 7 different rows, and the same on columns 3 to 7. You get also the home screens. You have to select how much you want from 1 to 7. You can select the default screen. You can also stretch the screens. It expands the home screen to fill the size of display. You can use the search bar, hide the icon labels. You can change the transition effects with all this one. Accordion, I will just test this one, just there. Let's go here. Okay, this is the accordion just here. We can continue on the settings and we get on the launcher the home screen here. We have the transition effect, this scroll wallpaper quick render. This use the wallpaper hack that increase this smoothness on static image wallpaper. You can switch the wallpaper size, fade the side screen, show the outlines, show the page indicators, then the fade indicators, and indicator position. You have also the drawer with the different orientation, horizontal or vertical. You can also hide different apps on the drawer. You can just use the transition effect, fade side pages, indicator position on the drawer too. On the dock, you can just select the number of pages on your dock from 1 to 3. Select the default one. Choose the different number of icons from 3 to 5. You have the icon scale to you can switch from 80% to 100, as you can see just there for 80% here and 100 just before. Continue on settings and we get on this launcher the general settings as auto rotate screen and full screen mode. As you can see here, it will work just there, and we get the full screen there without the status bar notification just here, and we have maybe no way to get it back, so we have to go on system settings, launcher, general and full screen mode, hide the status bar to extend the home screen. Okay, you have then the lock screen options. With the screen security, you can switch from screen lock with slide, pattern, pin or password. You also get the owner info just there, you will see that here. Okay, this is for the screen security, so we have just to turn it off and go to the lock screen, and we get there the owner info. We get then the delay screen lock, we have the menu unlock and vibrate on unlocking. We have the battery status, you can just only when charging or always on. Okay, just there. Maximize the widget, slider shortcuts, just there. You have to select which one you want at each places. You can select anti there and select activities, black hole, galaxy 4. Okay, just there, for example. You have just to save it later just by this way with this button here, so I have just to do that again with applications and calendar. Okay, save it, and then when we go to the lock screen we will get it. On button actions, you have the long press back button with different actions as play, pause music, previous song, next song and others. So we get now this lock screen just there. Here with this we have just there the complete widget. We have just to slide to go the battery status and to be able to unlock it. We can also add different widgets with those different widgets. We get then the system options and settings. With the status bar, we can select the different position of the clock. We have then the AM PM style, the brightness status style icon with, for example, a circle. You can also select the signal status, the brightness control, and show notification count. The brightness control is just there, as you can, as you must see. Okay, where it is, brightness, just there. Okay, and we get it. We must get something like that. Okay, so I don't remember how to do. You have the quick settings panel. We can select there the quick action, right? Okay, we can auto close the panel, tiles and layout. So you have just to select which one you want to order, like that. You can also add difference like that, settings. You can add others as go to sleep and others. Then you have the sound mode just there, vibrate. You can select the network mode, you can select the screen time out mode, the different dynamic tiles as alarm clock, bug report and others. On the notification drawer, you can power the widget, notification drawer just there. Okay, you have the different options just here. Widget button order just there, you can just select it. You can also use the widget button and select which one you want to add just there, and we get it just here, and you have just to slide to select. We have the close drawer on change, hide the scroll bar, just there you can hide it. You have the uptick feedback also. You get the power menu with the different power menu options, just there you can select that also. On the clock widget you have the clock and alarm, you can select what you want to add just there on the clock widget. You have the hardware case also. This is a cyanogen mode, so you also get the profiles for cyanogen mode. So I want to thank you to have seen this video. That was the JellyTime review for HTC Desire HD. I want to thank Obelnaze to have asked me to do this review. That was Flo.